how y'all doing tonight? Tonight I'm going to do a couple short videos. One is going to be a sound comparison on my 2019 Road Glide between the stock exhaust and the Vance and Hines twin slash cut. I'm also going to do an installation video, but I'm going to use this intro for both videos, so check them both out. Okay, I'm going to start off with the stock exhaust. You're about 6 foot back from the pipes. I'm going to start it up and see how she sounds. Okay, one of the first things you're going to need to do is a 1/2 inch socket or wrench. And that's going to be for these two back bolts right here. And a 5/8 for up underneath. Okay, now the 5/8 either has to be a wrench or it has to be a deep dish socket, as that bolt's kind of long. Now I've already loosened mine and I'm getting ready to take it off and slide it out of the way. Okay, something I just learned on the opposite side. On the left side is actually a 9/16 wrench for the clamp underneath, and not the other. So don't know why, but that was mine. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be putting the Vance and Hines twin slash cuts on. It's part number 16672 according to the Vance and Hines website. These pipes are good for the 17, 18, and 19 on that 107. The right side on. I've slipped it in place. All the fasteners are on, but they're loose. That way I can go ahead and play with the left side, get it on. Now if you're like me and you like to take everything out of the box and lay it out, and don't forget to mark which is left, which is right, it's kind of foolproof. There's two ways you'll know. One, the right pipe is much larger than the left pipe, so you can't switch them up. You also have a small indentation on both of them, and that'll go towards the bike. Now my understanding is the reason the right pipe is larger than the left pipe is because the exhaust on from both jugs come off on the right side before it splits. This is to help carry the gases away from the engine and keep those jugs a little bit cooler. So we're going to go ahead and put the left side on, and then we're going to tighten things down and see how it sounds. We're all buttoned back up, and my installation time, including my videoing, has taken me just a little over half an hour. Couple quick notes, I guess. Like I said, the pipe clamps on the left and right side are a different size, so go ahead and check yours out. Also, when you're doing it, make sure that that little bolt there on that pipe clamp is sticking out. Make it a lot easier for you to tighten it down. It can be done the other way, but it's just easier, especially if you got a deep socket. If you do it the other way, then you got to have a wrench. So here in just a second, we're going to fire her up and see what she sounds like. So there we are again, about 6 feet back. I didn't exactly mark the exact distance. I hope my camera is in stereo. I'm not sure. I watched somebody else's video. It wasn't in stereo, and it irritated me. So I guess if it's not, you ought to hackle me too. So here we go. Oh, we turn it on, don't we? Note that I learned while I was doing this: if you have the factory fob and the anti-theft, you might want to put it in the travel mode while you're doing this, as I set mine off a couple of times trying to get the pipe off. And you also want a wooden 2x4 block. And what this will allow you to do will be to tap lightly on the pipe without damaging it, in order to get it to slide into place, as they can be a little tight the first time you put them on. Again, this has been Mike with Imminent Adventures. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And go ahead and share it with your friends. Y'all have a good night. Bye-bye.